Today, I'll be teaching you the first class of the third part of 24 festive drum called Winter. The first line is E-er, E-er, E-er. And the first E-er, you hit it on the side of the drum. The second E-er, you hit it on the center of the drum. The third E-er, that's where you hit the sticks together. Now, let's try it on the drum twice using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is E-er, E-er, and it's the same as the first line, but this one you hit it 6 times and after it's E-er. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to link them twice using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our first class of Winter. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.